But just call me Mr. Mao. Mao.
Mao.
Yeah, Mr. Mao.
Mr.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr.
Aaron, Erica.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr.
Yeah, Mr. Mao. That's my last name.
Mao.
My first name is Hale.
Malay.
Hale.
Halim.
Hello, ma'am.
Erica po, wait lang po isa ako kasama.
Okay lang po.
Kuyan na po siya.
Okay lang po, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Ayun. Okay na po.
Okay.
60 lang. Tangina, walang baril.
Thank you. Hindi ka pa nag-order sa kumpanya.
회전입니다. 그리고 좌회전입니다. 직진하세요. 그리고 직진하세요.
Malakas pati mahina yun. Excuse me, you are Korean? Korean?
네, 한국 사람이에요.
So, how's the Philippines?
예, 좋아요. Good.
You're fluent in English or only Korean?
Little English.
How long was staying here?
3 years here.
3 years. It's so hot here.
Very hot. Yeah, today very hot. But other last 3 weeks ago, typhoon, right? Typhoon.
Type.
Ah,
Karina.
so many plants here.
Yeah.
So you are enjoying driving here.
Yeah.
It's always
Enjoy
traffic.
everything.
So many stoplight here in
Traffic
Manila.
is very fun. And the people are very friendly,
Yes.
very fun also.
Yes.
People.
How did you get to memorize the road here?
I'm just
Always.
following the ways.
Follow it.
Yeah.
It's very easy to drive here.
No, it's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah, hard.
There's are places here very narrow.
Yeah.
좌회전입니다.
There's a place crowded.
Crowded, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
many people.
They put it like this one.
Yeah.
They made it their own
Mm.
garage.
Many cars. But in Korea, we have many trains.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
many trains there.
Actually, we went to
You've been there?
No, actually, we went to 5 different countries, but their the transportation, like for example, Taiwan. So I'm so amazed with their transportation. While here,
Yeah.
we only have 3 MRT.
But I think there's a under construction,
Yeah,
right?
there's an
Yes.
under
Subway train,
construction.
subway.
Subway.
Yeah.
And PNR.
Actually,
PNR, yeah, under-
his dad is an engineer on
Ooh.
the ongoing construction.
Oh yeah.
In Pampanga.
Yeah,
Angeles.
subway in Pampanga. It's a PNR actually.
Train.
Yeah, it's a train.
Train only.
It's just a train.
Yeah, I hope more train.
Especially
Easy
in
access.
provinces.
What's the meaning of that?
This is a hello.
Hello.
Yeah. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
You speak Korean a little?
No.
No.
No. 감사합니다. I only watch Koreans, but I
You
don't
watching?
know how to see it.
K-drama. Oh.
K-dramas. But my brother-in-law actually studied Korean language because in our province in Isabela, they are giving some and the government in Isabela, they're giving a free what do we call this? They have the partnered agency in Korea, which they have to pass it. The exam.
Exam.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think I know that.
It's-
EPS, I think
Yes,
EPS.
they have to pass the exam so at least they can earn
Work in
yeah.
Korea. What kind of work?
Some of them are in factories.
Yeah, factory.
and most of them are from farm.
Yeah.
They
Big
have-
salary there.
Yes, actually.
Yeah, you can earn
compare
more
here in the
money.
Philippines.
We're watching K-drama.
Oh, you
movies.
watching?
We love Park Seo-joon.
Oh, Park Seo-joon. Yeah.
Handsome man.
How about Lee Min-ho?
Lee Min-ho,
it's
yeah.
Lee Min-ho.
Yeah. I like Raya Bang.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ryan Bang is the face of Korean here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And also Sandara Park.
Yeah. 그런데 에레미예요? What is your name?
My name-
Erica.
Erica
My name
and
is Erica. I'm Aaron.
Aaron.
Aaron. Yes. Yeah, 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Filipinos are very always smiling, very hospitable.
Very smiling and very everyday smiling people, friendly people, funny people.
We hope someday we will visit your country.
Yeah, sure.
Right now we are traveling all over Asia.
Oh, really?
Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, Malaysia.
We're targeting those countries because
Oh,
it's a
yeah.
visa free. We're holding a Philippine passport, so it's easy for us to access the going there. So
Yeah. But just call me Mr. Mao.
Mao,
Yeah, Mr. Mao.
Mr.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr.
Aaron, Erica.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr.
Yeah, Mr. Mao. That's my last name.
Wow.
My first name is Hale.
Malay.
Hale.
Halimau?
Is that true?
Hale.
That's our business, the one that
It's a
construction supplies. Yes.
Where? Here?
There's some
there.
Mustang over there.
Yeah. Hale.
Halimau.
Last name is
There.
Mao.
It's nice.
It's
Nice
nice
name.
riding with you.
Yeah, nice name. Where? Here?
Yes. The Besta Construction Supplies.
How much is it?
Dito na lang po tayo. Dito na lang po tayo.
Ang galing mo naman mag-ano mo yan.
Si Kuya naman! Pinahirapan mo ba akong
Picture tayo.
mag-English?
Halimaw no?
Picture tayo.
Bakit kayo ba picture, sir? Halimaw?
Talaga?
Kaya mo, ang galing mo Kuya. Hindi ko alam.
It's a
Prank!
prank.
Talaga ba?
Ano yung
So, actually,
YouTube ano ka kuya?
ayan, naka-video po tayo, sir.
Talaga?
So, ang tanong, okay lang ba?
Halimaw.
Okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media
Sige
accounts?
po.
Okay lang.
Ito ba?
Totoo yun, sir. Ito, i-search po, sir, para maniwala po kayo.
Nagulat ako kay
Galing mo naman.
Halimaw.
Sabi niya, unti lang daw English niya. Hanggang makarating tayo dito. Ilang English na.
Yan.
Thank you mo Kuya. What kind
Search nyo ako sa aking social media accounts, no? Facebook, YouTube, yan. So, nakakas kayo.
Apo,
It's a free ride.
it's a free ride?
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you po. Totoo po ba? Ay,
Yes,
salamat
totoo
po
po.
Kuya. Thank you po.
Actually, gumagawa lang po ako ng vlogs, no? Naghahanap lang ako ng, yan, tulad sa
Content
inyo.
po.
Content po.
Okay.
So, yun, I am a content
Ay,
creator.
follow
Di
niyo
pa
si
kami
Kuya.
napag-guys. Kung kailan pa.
Baka may shout out, sir.
Shout out kay Vesta Construction
Ayan.
Supplies.
Yan, dyan kayo punta, no?
Construction supplies.
Dito po, negosyo
dyan.
po namin
Negosyo.
mag-partner.
Ay, talaga? Ay,
Opo.
promote nyo, baka pwedeng yun.
So, Welcome to Vesta Construction Supplies, where quality matters. Pag kailangan nyo ng mga
Abad Santos,
pang-construction
Manila lang.
materials,
Yun.
we do ship nationwide po.
So ito yung ano nyo,
Opo.
construction
Sir,
supplies.
nice meeting you.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice
thank you,
meeting
sir.
you.
Hinahaliw mo ang pangalawa.
yung nasa app, yan po yung pangalan ko.
Salamat po kasi ako sabi
Wala
ko.
talagang bayad, kuya? Sure?
Wala.
Sure po. Ay,
Sa
thank
free
you
ride
po, kuya. Thank you po.
You're welcome po.
Thank you.
Pinag-iwan pa namin pinuntahan namin.
Thank you
Thank
po,
you.
kuya.
Thank you,
Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo. Yan. Bye-bye. It's Don Halima Bertus TV. Yes. Kadali ulit tayo. Seryoso pa naman sila sa mga tanong. Let's go. Hanap ulit tayo ng next victim. Woo!